It's possible to reverse tooth decay at home, even in advanced stages. Many dentists will tell you it's impossible, but they haven't tried this method. Before we dive into the how-to, let's understand what causes cavities in the first place. What forms a cavity? Cavities don't just appear overnight. They form when your teeth lose their protective enamel, which is like a mineral-rich skeleton. This weakening happens due to acid attacks, whether from food, drink, or bacteria. Once the enamel is compromised, a cavity can start to form. The first step in cavity formation is demineralization, where minerals are lost from your tooth enamel. This creates tiny holes that bacteria, like Streptococcus mutans, can invade. These bacteria feed on sugar and produce acid, which further erodes the enamel. As the decay progresses, it forms a sticky mass called plaque, which can lead to a full-blown cavity. This process is essentially an infection. If left untreated, the decay will eventually weaken the tooth structure, causing it to collapse and form a cavity. It's important to understand that the cavity itself is a symptom, not the cause. The real issue is the underlying infection. While it may seem too late to reverse a cavity once it's visible, the strategies I'll share can strengthen the surrounding enamel and stop the decay from progressing. This can make any necessary dental work, like fillings or crowns, easier and less invasive. Contrary to popular belief, it's possible to halt the progression of decay, even when it reaches the dentin layer. By following our specific recommendations, you can effectively combat the infection and prevent further damage to your tooth. How to stop a cavity in its tracks? Here, to halt the progression of a cavity, we need to address two key factors: sugar intake and enamel repair. Reducing sugar. Limiting sugar consumption is crucial, as it reduces the formation of plaque, the bacteria-filled film that causes tooth decay. Enhancing enamel repair. Our saliva is nature's miracle worker, packed with minerals that can repair tooth enamel. To maximize this process, stimulate saliva flow. Use sugar-free xylitol gum or mints to encourage saliva production. Optimize oral pH. Rinsing with a dilute sodium fluoride mouthwash twice daily can help create an optimal pH environment for remineralization. By following these steps, you can often reverse early stages of tooth decay and strengthen your enamel to prevent future problems. Remember, patience is key, as the remineralization process takes time. Reverse a cavity if it has progressed farther. Even if a cavity has progressed into the dentin layer, it's still possible to reverse it. While many dentists believe this is impossible, specific strategies can help. The key is to eliminate the bacteria causing the decay. This can be achieved by using specialized mouth rinses that target these bacteria. Once the bacteria are eliminated, the tooth's natural repair mechanisms can take over. This process involves the odontoblasts, cells within the tooth that can secrete new dentin to repair the damaged area. By following a specific oral care regimen and giving your body time, you can potentially reverse the cavity and save your tooth. It's important to consult with your dentist to determine the best course of action. However, by understanding the process and taking proactive steps, you can significantly improve your oral health and potentially avoid invasive dental procedures.